Refreshing coffee granita recipe. Easy homemade summer treat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be making a delicious and refreshing summer treat, coffee granita. It's icy, it's sweet, and it's the perfect pick-me-up for those hot summer days. So let's dive right in. Ingredients. 2 cups of brewed coffee, cooled. 1/2 cup of sugar. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whipped cream, optional, for serving. Cocoa powder, optional, for garnish. Instructions. First, we'll pour in our cooled brewed coffee. You can use your favorite coffee blend for this recipe. I'm using a medium roast for a nice balance of flavor. Next, we'll add in our sugar for sweetness and a teaspoon of vanilla extract to enhance the flavor. Now, let's blend it all together until the sugar has completely dissolved. Perfect. Our coffee mixture is now smooth and well combined. Now, here comes the fun part. We're going to pour our coffee mixture into a shallow dish. You want to use a dish that's freezer safe and has enough surface area for the mixture to freeze evenly. Pop it into the freezer for about an hour, or until it starts to freeze around the edges. Once the edges start to freeze, take a fork and scrape the mixture, breaking up any large ice crystals. Keep scraping until the entire mixture is fluffy and icy. This process creates the granita's signature texture. And there you have it. A delicious and refreshing coffee granita, perfect for enjoying on a hot summer day. You can serve it as is or top it off with some whipped cream and a sprinkle of cocoa powder for an extra indulgent treat. It's so good. The bold coffee flavor combined with the icy texture is absolutely irresistible. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tasty recipes. See you next time.
Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.